So in this tutorial, we will be going over how to create an event in the calendar plugin. First, we will hover over events and then add event. Then take us to a new calendar event where we can now title the event the Springfield Antique Show. Then we will type in come shop for antiques. We will set the days for the event. You can do this by scrolling down and selecting the start time and the end time. But this is an all-day event, so we can just click all-day event, and it is from April 8th to April 9th. Okay, for the location, you can select or create a venue. Here we have the Champion Center already selected on the drop-down menu, or you can create one. You can show the location in Google Maps, or you can show Google Maps link on the event. For the organizers, you can use saved organizers, so you have the organizer's name, you type here, the phone number here, website here, and the email here, and you can add another organizer here. The event website, here's the URL where you would type the event website in. Here you can type the event cost. You can have the currency symbol before or after cost, and you can type the cost here. You should have your developer handle. This is more coding based additional functionality for the plugin. So let's scroll up. We're going to set featured image. We're going to look for this will be a good one. Set featured image. Now to view this new event, we will click Publish. And view the event. Okay, so we have the Springfield Antique Show, April 8th to April 9th, with our photo inserted. And it says come shop for antiques, and the details are start April 8th, ends April 9th. And that is how you add an event. So what if we want to edit this event? Well, we will click on Events, Edit Events. Scroll down till we find the Springfield Antique Show, April 8th to April 9th. Click Edit. Okay, so we want to change the dates now. Let's scroll down. We're going to make this from the 7th to the 11th. And we're going to leave it as an all-day event. And we're going to click Update. View Event. And we have our updated event. So it's now from April 7th to April 11th. This is how you add and edit a event using your events plugin. Okay, so now we are going to export our event to our Google Calendar. So let's click on Google Calendar. So we have the Springfield Antique Show from April 7th, 2017 to April 11th, 2017. It's an all-day event. Here are the event details, where you can add a location, you can add a video call, you can select the calendar, and that is for my calendar. You can have a description. We'll just leave the default description. We can add attachments, have different event colors, modify the event is what the guests can do, invite others, see guest list. The notifications, you can select that to be an email one day before at 11:50 p.m. or a notification one day before at 11:30 p.m. You can add more. You can show me as available or busy. And visibility, you can have the calendar default, public, or private. Here you can add guest. And let's click save. So here's the Springfield Antique Show. If we click on it, it'll let us edit the event. And then we would just click save, or we can discard changes, or we can delete. So let's click save. And we will go back to the site. Go back to events. Now we want to export to the iCalendar. So this will actually save to your computer if you have an Apple product. We'll just save this on the desktop. Click save. Minimize what we have. Open it up. So we're adding a new event. This calendar contains a new event. Please select a destination for the calendar. We'll select it for work. Click OK. So we have it set for 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, and that is how you export to your iCalendar. And that is how you export to both of the calendars. And this is how you add and edit events on your Events plugin.